Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
So today we are going to see practice set 4.3. Very first question. Properties already Rajma teacher explained to you. Now we are going to take question based on that properties. Very first question. If A upon B is equal to 7 by 3, then find the values of first 5A plus 3B divided by 5A minus 3B. Second, 2A square plus 3B square divided by 2A square minus 3B square. Third, A cube minus B cube upon B cube. And fourth, 7A plus 9B divided by 7A minus 9B. So this is the question, and you have to use the properties, that is componendo, dividendo, alternando, invertendo. Now in very first, what is given in first case? What is given? That A upon B, ratio of A upon B is 7 by 3. This ratio is given to you. That is A upon B is equal to 7 upon 3, and we have to find the value of 5A plus 3B upon 5A minus 3B. So student, this is which kind of ratio this is? Hello. What is this called?
Yes.
A plus B upon A minus B. What is this called? Yes. Student, what this ratio is called? A plus B upon A minus B. They are all mute.
No.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
What is this kind of ratio called? What is this ratio?
Componendo dividendo.
Yes, componendo and dividendo is there. And similarly, we have to find the value of 5A plus 3B upon 5A minus 3B. Now, student, what is the coefficient of A here?
7.
7.
This is not 7. This is what ratio is given to you. Where we are going to find the
Five,
value
five.
of 5.
5. 5.
5.
5. And what is the coefficient of B?
3.
3.
3.
We are going to multiply on both sides by 5 upon 3. When you will multiply on both sides by 5 upon 3, so what you will get then? 5 upon 3 into A upon B is equal to 5 upon 3 into 7 by 3. So then you will get here 5A and divided by this you will get 3B, and this is equal to 5 7s are 35 and divided by 3 3s are 9.
Yes, sir.
So when you will apply here the property componendo dividendo, so you will say that by componendo dividendo, by componendo dividendo, what you will do, you will add 3b to 5a, so 5a plus 3b, and you will subtract 3b from 5a, so get 5a minus 3b. Means if this is what a upon b, so by componendo dividendo, what you will write a plus b upon a minus b. Similarly, when you will use here componendo dividendo, so write 5a plus 3b upon 5a minus 3b. And similarly, right hand side, you write 35 plus 9. 35 plus 9 and divided by 35 minus 9.
Minus 9.
So this will be what? This you will get 44 and divided by this will be what? 26. Right? And after simplifying, we'll divide this by 2. So you will get 22 and this will be 2 1 2, 2 3 are 6. So this will be 22 by 30. So what is the value of 5a plus 3b upon 5a minus 3b? That is 22 upon 30. Clear, student?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Have you
sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Now we will see second one. Just look for a minute on the board and then we will move on. Second question.
Sir, wait. Sir, screenshot take कर ले.
Okay, fine.
Done, sir, done.
Sir,
Yes.
solved examples teacher not take.
Yes, sir.
What are
Page
that?
number 6, page number 67 and 68 and 69 are not done.
What is not done?
Page number 66, 67.
Okay, fine. We will take. Don't worry.
68,000.
Okay.
Sir, वो solved example ना वो सिखाया नहीं.
Okay, fine. We'll do. Don't worry. Now we'll see second sub question. Second sub question is you have to find the value of 2a square plus 3b square and divided by 2a square minus 3b square. Now here again you are going to use componendo and dividend. And for that what is given a upon b is given 7 upon 3. And here
सर पहले सॉल्व एग्जांपल्स ले लो ना, ये डायरेक्टली नहीं समझ रहे.
what?
Sir, solved example सिखाओ. ये नहीं समझ रहे समझ.
Okay, wait. I will take small example also. First we will complete this question. Then we will take small example. Don't worry. Don't worry. Try to understand.
ओके सर.
Now this is the second question. We have to find the value of 2a square plus 3b square upon 2a square minus 3b square. As you know that when plus minus comes, it means that componendo dividendo you have to use. Now what is given? A upon b is given 7 upon 3. Now here, this is a square, this is b square. So first we will square. So I will write on squaring. First step is on squaring. Why we are squaring? Because a square is there, b square is there. If there is a cube, b cube, so you will take cube on both sides. So here, square is there, therefore, on squaring both sides. Okay. So when you will square, so you will get a square upon b square, and this will be what? 7 square is what? 49, and 3 square is 9. Similarly, look here, with a square there is 2, and with b square there is 3. This coefficient of a square is 2, coefficient of b square is 3. Therefore, you have to multiply on both sides by 2 upon 3. So right here, multiply on both sides. Multiply on both sides by 2 divided by 3. It's 2 upon 3. So when you will multiply 2 upon 3, this is what? 2 upon 3 into a square upon b square, and this will be 2 upon 3, 49 upon 9. Now you will get 2a square divided by this will be
Excuse me, sir.
b square, and this is equal to what?
Sir, please use white chalk.
What is it? Okay, fine, wait. So multiply on both sides by 2 by 3. What do we get? 2 upon 3 into a square divided by b square, and this is equal to what? 2 by 3 into 49 upon 9. So what do we get then? 2a square divided by this will be 3b square, and this is equal to what? 49 2s are 98, and divided by 3 9s are 27. So this is the value of 2a square upon 3b square. So 2a square upon 3b square is 98 upon 27, and then you will use the property of again component and dividend. So when you will use property, I'll write here by component dividend. So by component dividend, what you will write then? 2a square plus 3b square. 2a square plus 3b square, and divided by 2a square minus 3b square. Because you know very well, if a upon there is ratio of a upon b, when you will use component dividend here, so what you will get? You get a plus b upon a minus b. Similarly, when you will use component dividend here, so you will get 2a square plus 3b square divided by 2a square minus 3b square. This is the what about left hand side, and similarly we will do on right hand side is 98 plus 27 divided by 98 minus 27. So you will write here 98 plus 27 divided by 98 minus 27. So what it will be? 8 plus 7, 15, carry 1, 9 and 2, 11 and 12, 125, and divided by 8 minus 7 is 1, and 9 minus 2 is 7. So 71. So what is the value of 2a square plus 3b square upon 2a square minus 3b square? 125 upon 71. Correct? Yes? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. If you want to take screenshot, so take it. So we'll see the third
Yes,
subject.
sir. 1 minute.
Any doubt?
No, sir. Sir, थोड़ा side सरको ना. Done, sir.
Okay, fine. Now we will see third sub question, that is AQ minus BQ upon BQ. So we have to find the value of AQ minus BQ upon BQ. Students, you know what is given? A upon B is equal to 7 upon 3 is given. But in second question, there is a square, b square is there. Therefore, we have squared on both sides. Similarly, here a cube, b cube is there. Then again, you will taking cube on both sides. Okay. Let us see. So a upon b is given to you 7 upon 3, and we want a cube and b cube. So taking cube on both sides. Taking cube on both sides. So this will be what? A cube divided by b cube. And this is equal to 7 cube upon b cube. So therefore, what you will get? A cube upon b cube is equal to what? 7 cube is what? Tell me fast. 7 cube. What is 7 cube?
343.
343 divided by 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. So now we are having a cube upon b cube is equal to 343 upon 27. And this is the which type of property? This is called if a upon b, then we write, for example, a minus b upon b. This is which type of case? This is called property is called
Dividendo.
dividendo. So here minus is there. So we are going to use which property? By dividendo. So you will write here by dividendo. By the property of dividendo, you will get a cube minus b cube divided by b cube. Similarly, on right hand side, 343 minus 27 divided by 27, and this is equal to, just subtract. What you will get after subtraction? Yes. Is this right? 343 minus 27 is 316. This is 27 as it is. So this is the value of a cube minus b cube upon b cube. 316 upon 27. Is there any problem?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so we'll take fourth one.
Sir,
What happened?
2 minutes.
स्क्रीनशॉट लेना रहेगा सर एक मिनट.
If you want to take the screenshot, so take just question is over. Okay. Now we'll see fourth one. In fourth case, again component to dividendo is there. You can see very clearly plus minus is there. When there is plus minus, it means that you have to use the property of component to and dividend without fail. Now again, what is A and what is B? 7 upon 3 is given to you. And with A, the coefficient of A is 7 and the coefficient of B is 9. So you will multiply on both sides by which number? Tell me fast.
7 upon 9.
7 by 9. Very good. So we write here multiply on both sides by 7 upon 9. So what you will get then 7 upon 9 into A by B is equal to 7 upon 9 into 3 by 7. Sorry, 7 by 3. You are going to multiply both sides by 7 by 9. So 7 by 9 into A upon B is equal to 7 by 9 into 7 upon 3. Simply multiply 7 into A, 7A, 9 into B, 9B,
9B.
and this is equal to 49.
49.
9 upon
27.
27.
27. Now, student, which property you are going to use here?
Componendo dividendo.
Componendo dividendo. Student, when you see the question only itself, so which property used here? Same property you are going to use here also. So you write here by componendo dividendo. So you are going to use by componendo dividendo. Similarly, what you will get then 7A plus 9B divided by 7A minus 9B by componendo dividendo. Similarly, you will do the right hand side also 49 plus 27 divided by
Plus 27.
49 minus
Minus 27.
27,
49 minus 27.
right? So what this will be addition 9 plus 7 16, carry 1, 4 and 2 6 and 1 7,
7.
divided by this will be what 2 and 4 minus 2 is 2, 20.
2.
Again divide by 2, just simplify 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Here 2 3s are 6, 1 16, 2 8s are 16. It's 38 upon 11. So value
Sir,
of
38.
sorry
38.
38 is there.
38. Oh. Okay, fine. So what is the value then? 38 upon 11. This is the value of 7A plus 9B upon 7A minus 9B. Okay. So if you want to take screenshot, so take it. We'll move for second question.
सर सेकंड नहीं ना सॉल्व एग्जांपल्स करना है ना पहले
Done. Over this part.
Yes, sir.
यस सर
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay, fine. Now we will see second question.
सर वी वर गोइंग टू डू सॉल्व्ड एग्जांपल्स
What?
रहने दे, वैसे तो बहुत सॉल्व एग्जांपल्स है, कितने करने वाले प्रैक्टिस सेट में समझेगा भी अच्छे.
Solve example we will discuss in next lecture. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Solve example we will discuss in next lecture. Don't worry. Second question: if 15A square, if 15A square plus 4B square upon 15A square minus 4B square is equal to 47 upon 7.
47 upon 7.
Then you have to find the value of first value, you have to find A upon B. So only first one is almost first find the value of A upon B. So here first we'll find the value of A upon B. Here A upon B is not given. So remember how we'll find the value of A upon B. Now what is given, student? Given is 15A square plus 4B square divided by 15A square minus 4B square, and this is equal to 47 upon 7. Now student, which property is used here?
Componendo dividendo.
Componendo dividendo.
Componendo dividendo.
So again you will use here by componendo dividendo. Again here you will use the property of componendo and dividendo. So this plus this. So I'll write 15A square plus 4B square plus this part plus 15A square minus 4B square and divided by this minus this. So what we get? 15A square.
Sir, I think so. We must make the brackets.
So where you will use minus, so this sign becomes, this is the plus sign, 15A square is plus, this becomes minus A square, and this minus becomes plus 4B square, and this is equal
Plus.
to 47 plus 7 divided by 47 minus 7. Is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now you will see that plus 4B square and minus 4B square will cancel out, and here minus 15A square plus 15A square will be cancelled out. So you get 15A square plus 15A square, you get 30A square, and divided by 4B square plus 4B square, you will get 8B square, and this is equal to 47 plus 7. 54, 47 minus 7,
Okay.
40. So this is what 30A square upon 8B square is equal to 54 upon 40. We want A upon B. We want A upon B. Ratio of A is to B. We don't want 30 upon 8. So this we will transfer to right hand side. So 30 upon 8 becomes 8 upon 30. When we transfer 30 upon 8 to right hand side, as it is in multiplication, so it will become here 8 by 30. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir means reciprocal, no?
Yes, sir, yes.
Reciprocal. When you will transfer this 30 upon 8, so therefore what I will write? I will write A square upon B square, and this is equal to what? 54 by 40. And when you transfer
Into
30
8 upon 30.
right side, so this becomes 8 by 30. 8 by 30. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Is there any
No,
doubt?
sir.
30 upon 8
No, sir.
multiplication. When you will transfer to right hand side, so 30 upon 8 becomes 8 upon 30. Okay, fine. Now we will cancel out. 8 1 is 8. 8 5 is 40. Then with 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10. Here,
Sir, excuse me, sir.
40. So therefore, what you will get? A square upon B square is equal to 27
Excuse me, sir.
into 1 upon 55 75. So 27 multiplied by 1 is 27 only. So just divide by 3, simplify, further simplify. So when you divide by 3, so what you will get? 3 9s are 27.
9.
When you will divide 75 by 3, 3 2s are 6, and 1 5 3 5s are 50.
25.
So A square upon B square is equal to what? You will get 9 upon 25. Now you will take square root. So on taking square root on both sides. So taking square root on both sides. So what will be this? Left hand side becomes A upon B. Square
3
root
upon 5.
3 upon 5.
upon 5. Yes, very good. So this is the answer of A is to B or A upon B. So first value is calculated, A upon B is 3 upon 5, and remaining question, sub question second, third and fourth, already what we have solved question number 1, in this way you are going to solve. So if possible, so try to solve at home, and then in next lecture we are going to
Sir, please cite.
solve remaining question of
Sir.
as well
Sir,
as
Sir,
excuse me.
please cite.
yes,
Please
Sir,
cite,
please
please.
side. Sir,
yes.
Sir, next link came.
Okay, students, so we'll,
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
Sir means we have to solve question number 3 and 4th. No.
No, only you try to solve question number 2 only. Here value of A upon B is given to you now. We have calculated that is 3 upon 5. And similarly, question number 1, you have to solve for the sub questions. So try to solve this. We'll see, we'll discuss next question in the next lecture. And if you have any queries, so just WhatsApp on my number. Okay. So okay, student, thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Bye, sir.
Bye, student. Bye.